Hi friends, I'm at Floor and Decor to look at some of their flooring. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Alrighty, so this first one here is beautiful. I love this bright color here. And this one is called the Woodville Blanco. It is a 12 by 59 porcelain tile. And this one is $3.79 per square foot. Okay, really beautiful. And this one is a darker wood here. This one is the Durango walnut wood plank. It is a porcelain tile for $3.99 per square foot. Okay, you get the full box in this one for $46.36. And the box of this one is $54.90. Okay, this beautiful color here is the tobacco cask porcelain wood plank tile. It is $3.89 per square foot or $45.27 per box. And this one is new. Really pretty. This is soft ash for $3.99 per square foot. It is $46.35 per box. And this one is a 10 by 60. So these are the colors we've gone over so far. Dark, light, medium brown, and more of a gray brown. Yeah, this is a lighter color here. Eldora blend wood look tile. And this one is $3.99 per square foot or $46.35 per box. Okay. They said we won't be beat on price. This is really pretty. This is the lightest one so far. And this one is called the Woodville Natural Wood Plank for $3.79 per square foot or $54.90 per box. Okay, 3 pieces per box on these pieces, guys. 3 pieces. Now this one has a little more of an orange undertone right here, and this one is called the Fleetwood Cherry Porcelain Wood Plank Tile for $3.69 per square foot or $42.96 per box, which is 3 pieces. They also offer the 12 months special financing on purchase $500 or more made with your Floor and Decor credit card. Okay. This one is called Township Beige Porcelain Tile. Another beautiful piece. Now this one has 6 pieces in it and the box is $50.10. So let me give you a better look on, you know, a room with furniture. And I think I want to go back and do that with the other ones. I didn't think to do that at first, but yes, that is on that one. So let's just backtrack a little bit. Well, okay, this one doesn't have a picture. This one does not. The Eldora blend does. So this is the Eldora here. Nice, right? And soft ash. And we have one more with a picture, which is the Woodville Blanco. Oh, they even use it as a backsplash. Okay, and then it's on the floor right here. Okay, that's cool. Nice. These colors are really nice too. So the one to the left is called the Claiborne Ben Ridge Core Luxury Vinyl Plank. It is cork. It says cork back for $4.29 per square foot, or the box is $76.66. Okay, and this one here is Beckham Honey for $49 per square foot, and the box is $67.63. Okay. More beautiful shades over here. The one to the left is called Cedar Point Ridge Core Luxury Vinyl Plank for $2.59. The box would be $61.28. And the one to the right is the Cortado Oak Ridge Core Luxury Vinyl Plank with the cork back for $3.66 or $101.49 per box. Okay. Closer look on this one. Okay. Alrighty, so we're moving into the stone look tile, guys. So this first one is the Viola Bianca stone look tile. This one is $3.89 per square foot. It is $47.12 per box, and you get 4 pieces per box on this one. And this one is the Sahara Sand for $2.99 per square foot, $47.12 per box. This is really pretty. Ooh, I like that color. That is gorgeous, guys. Alrighty. Basin Night Stone Look Indoor Outdoor. Floors feature walls, outdoor walkways, and patios. So this piece is $2.69 per square foot. The box is $41.68, and you get 8 pieces on this one. If you all like this video, please give it a thumbs up to let me know to come back again. Yeah. So this one is Irvin Park Gray Stone Look. It is $2.69 per square foot. The box is $54.94. Yes. Okay. This Himalayan Quartz Outdoor Look Tile, it is $2.49 per square foot, or the box is $29.76. You get 4 pieces in this box here. The Stovel Gray, $2.29 per square foot, or $31.57 per box. Okay. Ooh, look how beautiful this is, guys. This is the Burton Oak Wood Plank Porcelain Tile for $1.79 per square foot. That's amazing. Yes, guys. So, let's see. For 10 pounds, it's $18.94. And this is beautiful, and I love the price. Oh, yes. Okay, this one here. This one is the Soft Ash Antimicrobial Porcelain Tile for $3.99 per square foot. 10 pounds. It's a 10 by 60. And it says 10 pounds for $18.94. Okay, on this one. Over here, guys, we have the solid hardwood floors. Okay, so this one to the left is the Havea Marapi. This one is $4.79. I'm gonna give you a look at the name because I don't want to butcher that name. Yes, it is $75.35 per box. And this one is $4.99. Here's it on the picture right there. And here's the tag right here. Burley wood 2. Okay, another solid hardwood here for $5.99. There's a picture here. And here's the tag. Ariana Locust Distress Solid Hardwood. Okay. It's $131.84 per box on this one. And this one is really pretty here. Oh my goodness. It looks a little more golden on the camera, but it's not this gold. It's more muted. Okay, so this one is $5.99 per square foot. The box is $131.84. This is the tag. Okay. Great deal on this one, this product here. This is the Carson Timberland Wood Plank Ceramic Tile for 84 cents per square foot. This one is an 8 by 24. So yes, that's the tag right there. 84 cents per square foot. It sounds good to me. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're moving into more porcelain tiles. This one is a 9 by 11. It is the hexagon tile. It is called the Uptown Night Hexagon. Okay, so this one is $2.99 per square foot. Or this one is let's see. You can get 14 pieces of this one for $20.58. $1.47 per piece, or $2.99 per square foot. Okay, on this one. This one is the opal black for $3.19 per square foot, or $34.30 per box. 14 pieces. Ooh, this is pretty. Yes, this is really pretty. This gray, I love this. This is like a matte gray. It is beautiful. It's $3.19 per square foot, and it is $34.30 per box. You get 14 pieces. Then I have this one, that one is gray, and this one is cream. $2.19 on this one per square foot, and $34.30 per box. Okay, 14 pieces. Okay, this one is $54.94 per box, or $3.49 per square foot. Okay, this is a larger hexagon tile here, guys. And as far as the size of the shape, this one is called Linden Ivory Hex. So this one is $2.79 per square foot, or $39.36 per box. Really nice. They also have it in the gray. Beautiful. Dark gray, brown gray. Okay guys, so this one here is on sale while supplies last for $158 per square foot. And yes, it's this gray one here. So this is the name. And there's a closer picture of the product. Over here, these porcelain pieces are a little bit more affordable. This first one is the Harmony White for $179 per square foot. So yes, this is really pretty here. It is $27.76 per box. You get 8 pieces in this box. The prices are gonna be up there. Yeah, these prices are much more affordable over here. So this one is the Andover White for $194 per square foot. Beautiful. This white marble look tile here, this one is $209. The Marmy, I think is what it's called. So yes, this one here is $209. This one is just like that one, but it's wider. The cuts are wider. The tile pieces are bigger. Yes. And this one is $199 per square foot. Huh. $199 for this one, $209 for this one. Okay. Venado 2 white marble look tile. This one is $194 per square foot here. Yes. Beautiful, right? $30 per box. You get 4 pieces. Oh, these are nice sizes too. Yeah. Well, all right, guys, that is it here at Floor and Decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. I know you all are getting ready to do some home makeovers and all of that, so I thought this would be beneficial to you all. So don't forget to let me know that you like this video by giving it a big thumbs up. Thank you all for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.